Laying down on your back, just let yourself be. If it doesn't feel good to lay flat on your back, you can bend your knees and knock your knees in towards center. You can either have the back of your hands on the floor or bring one hand to heart, one hand to belly. Take a deep breath in here. Breathe out, let your body relax, relax, relax. Notice how your body's feeling in this moment. Bring your awareness to the organ that is your heart. And imagine that you could breathe into your heart. So as you breathe in, imagine filling the space that is your heart and around your heart. And as you breathe out, imagine softening the space around the heart. Do that a few more times. Just notice and imagine the space around your heart as you breathe. Without thinking too hard about it, let a happy memory float to mind. Happy memory could be a memory of a time in nature, could be a time with another human. Bring that happy memory fully into mind, and could you even embody that moment? What did you see? What did you feel? Don't let anything else come in but the happiness of that moment. Take one more breath in that moment of happiness. And back to this present moment. Invite movement to your fingers. Invite movement to your toes. When you're ready, roll over to either side into a fetal position. And again, without judgment, just notice how your body's feeling in this moment. When you're ready, come up to a seated position. Either bring one hand on top of the other on your sternum or touch your palms together in prayer. May all beings everywhere be blessed with happiness and freedom. May the thoughts, words, and actions of our own lives contribute to that happiness and freedom for all. We gently bow forward in gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today. Thank you.